In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can write your YouTube about section. Okay, so this is very simple to do, guys. So all you would need to do once you've gone to youtube.com, you'll be on the home page. Then what you want to do is go ahead and select your profile icon at the top right of the screen. Then you want to click right at the top, it says your channel. Click on your channel and then you'll be on your channel page. And then underneath your channel banner, you can see it says customize channel. Go ahead and click on customize channel. And now it says channel customization. It says layout, branding, and then basic info. Go ahead and click on basic info. And now underneath your channel name, it says channel description. And then this is your channel description. Now you would want to go ahead and write out your channel description with something like welcome to your channel, and you just simply type it in this box, and you want to include what your channel's about, how often you upload, and the main type of videos that you will be uploading on your channel. Those are the three most important things that you should include within your channel description. And then also a call to action for people to subscribe, and then once again letting them know how often you would be posting. So in my case, it's for weekly videos. And then once you've gone ahead and written out your channel description, you would simply just click on the publish button, and this would be obviously different for every single channel, but I'm just showing you what mine looks like so you can have a good idea of how to write your YouTube channel description. So if this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.